Hello legends, welcome back to another video. So in this video I am going to introduce or give you a new platform where you can work and earn from your home. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, so please do subscribe to the channel. So let's start. So today we are going to work in Pico Workers. That's the best website where you can earn $1 your home. So let's back to the website. Yep, this is the dashboard which looks good, a professional. Let's scroll down and see. Yeah, that's good, looking good. Yeah, you can, it has program and freelance and earn. So let's go to the sign up page here. Yep, so you have to give your real name here. So I'm going to just give your online earning online. This is the best platform where you can earn from your home. It has a good payout. It has a good number of payout. It has a, I will show you the payout details too. So yep. So yeah, India. So I think I can give a ninja at gmail.com. Let's find password. Okay, okay, yeah. So in nickname I'm going to give a earning 1 2. Select country. And the beautiful thing is you can work any part of the world, not only India. You can work from United States. I am going to give you United States. Yeah, you can give any part of the world. You can, this is so simple that you have to just sign up and you can start your work right away. So yeah, so go to Pico Workers. And yeah, so I have to verify my website, and I will verify my website through my mobile phone. Yep. So yeah, okay. So yeah, so yes, I have verified my website. So just click this button. Yep. Okay, so just go to login and click here and give the mail id at gmail.com. Yep, go to login. Yep, this is so simple that just to have to log in and start your work. And before we start, I would like to show you the payout details here. Yeah, let me show you the payout details. So let, just a second. So yeah, here is the payout details, workers ranking. Here you can see the highest number of payout is 2716 payout from it's from Bulgaria, and the task he was completed is 50,000. Near to near, you can complete a maximum task. You see, it's a lots of company, lots and lots of mean countries have members have enrolled from different countries. Here you can see here, as you can see. Yep, sorry, there is a person from India who have got a payout of $686, which means it comes with around 40,000, which is a good amount where you can earn from your home. So let's go to find jobs. Yeah, you can see the best job from here. You have to choose a best job which you can do from your home. So I will recommend, say, I will recommend these jobs like Grammarly, Sign Up, Fast Pay. It's a good work. Yeah. Yep, you can see the lots and lots of work over here where you can do your work. It's also a freelancing website where you can do your freelancing work. So let me go to the wallet. And yeah, so you can see you can have a payout from here. You have to click withdrawals and you can have a payout from here. So it's simple that you just have to go here and start your sign up, complete your sign up and start your work from Pico Workers. So Pico Workers is the best website where you can earn a good amount of money from your home, just doing just a simple task. So nothing hard things over here. Just go to Pico Workers and start your work, but do the best job, do the right job, not just not do the fake jobs. Do the best jobs where we can find in Pico Workers. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for your support. So I will be keep on posting the best website where you can work and earn. So okay, before we sign off, let me give you an example of one work. Yeah, let's scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I am going to do this one. Okay, so I have to give the details over here, and yeah, let me give the random one. So let me give a random one. Okay, security question, part time. You need to give the real one, but I'm just giving the random one to for you. Okay, so yeah, part time work city. Okay, so Mumbai. Mumbai and save it. Yep, that's it. Gender is okay. Sorry for this. Male. Security question and part work. So let's save this, and yeah, here is that one. You have to just do the simple task which you can see here what is expected from workers. Go to Grammarly, install the extension on Mozilla or Chrome, complete your sign up. If you send fake you have to remember you shouldn't say sending any fake proof. Just give the right proof for them. Yes, you can earn a good amount of money. That's it. You have to type a comment, and you have to give your email and username used. Let's submit your proof. You have to upload the images which has taken from Grammarly. That's it. You can have your 0.080 in your Pico worker wallet. That's it. It is so simple. You can work from your home. Do it now. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me to keep on it. So thank you so much for supporting me.